by for the next round of their respective competition.
And I believe it's just going to be a bloodbuster.
A stupendous finish from, but the business for this evening is to the Nsoatreman this evening, and the honors you. There we go, that's the commencement of the game. Samartex get us going. Samartex this evening represented by Kwame Kofiba, Ebenezer Aqua, Samuel Tete, Isaac Apple, Jim Sewonu, Hilary Adabo, Richmond Dako, Solomon J, Mike Baba Musa Mando. He's expected to make things happen for them this season. Now here is Alfo. Hilary Dabo, good play from the midfielder, tries with his left foot, nearly found the back of the net. That's impressive from Hilary Dabo.
And he's playing as a defensive midfielder, but just look at that cover and his position over there as well to go in between those two players and on the left foot.
Monso. Kujo. Oblitekomi. He goes down, it's a good decision from...
Yeah, just look at that. Hilary right behind him, and that's unfair use of the arm over there, led by about 4 Nsoatreman shirts. Tells you that they are going with a high press. They are taking their chances already in the game.
Good play from Dantua, J2.
Earlier on it was Adabo from that same position, and this time it's J2 just one touch and just bent.
Nsoatreman breakaway. Here comes Collins Kujo. He comes up against Sewonu. Here is Kujo. He's trying to cut in and set up DU. Good defending from Daku, but it's still Nsoatreman. And referee has reached his pocket. He's whistled and he's flashing his yellow card to Collins Kujo for simulation.
For a second I was thinking that was going to be a penalty, but I think we would get a benefit of the replay again. But Kujo's still on the turf. Seems to be in some sort of excruciating pain. I think that was a tight and, you know, a very, very good call from Daniel Lai, who seems pretty confident about it. It was Kujo who started that move all the way from the left-hand side, and he loves drifting, but he did well to hang on to that ball, and that's just the right call.
Corner Benteen. Chance for Samartex, and Efsin coming close. It's a goal kick.
Michael F said, just look at that. His positioning over there, the first ball, ricochets off, and he was just there. They're losing too many balls.
Here is Alfo to try a drive from a distance. Not far from target, from
to the 18-yard box of Nsoatreman.
Isaka and Tower in defense. Good ball from Neymar, but Kofiba's reaction is top class.
That was a great ball from midfield from Walid Neymar.
Kofiba goes down after colliding with Collins Kujo, but that's the end of the first half in this highly competitive fixture between two of Ghana's representatives in African club football, the Champions League representatives and champions of Ghana football, Samartex, and the Confederations Cup representatives and the MTN FA Cup champions, Nsoatreman. They sold out a goalless drawn game in the first half of this Champion of Champions at the TNA Stadium in Takwa. It's been an exciting game and a thrilling contest between the two teams, but has failed to produce goals in the opening 45 minutes plus 1 minute of additional time. It's half-time at the TNA Stadium in Takwa. Samartex 1996 0 and Nsoatreman FC 0. We're back for second half, and Nsoatreman gets us going for second half action.
Yeah, they were on the back foot for most of the time in the first half, despite the fact that they kept the ball more, but they were not really threatening. And now Samartex.
Solomon J will go for it. It's a killer, and it's very close. Impressive.
Did his job, but the technique to get it over it, of course, and he failed to move a bit more central to gain advantage.
Good turn from FC. Brilliant save from Sabia to deny Michael F.
Just look at that again with the head and that drive.
To watch the evening. Here is Walid Husseini. He swings in across. Flicked on by DU. Straight to Kofi Bar. A striker.
Of course, but the decision to go with his head just wasn't the right one. But Walid just sending that one over the top of the defense, and DU
unable to make that early chance count. But here they go. Godwin Sefa up against Setre, and Sefa takes on Setre, sends the ball in, stopped by Isaka. Jetua is arriving. Adabu doesn't communicate well with Jetua, but ball gets to Saidu Abubakar. He shoots, and it's straight to Sabi Akwa.
That was a great shot.
Emmanuel Mama on the move for Samartex. Saidu Abubakar looking for Godwin Sefa. The champions of tender heat on the FA Cup champions. Here is Richmond Darko. Swings in across. Abubakar's header. Brilliant save by Sabi Akwa. What a Samartex.
That's just beautiful to watch. That's just world class. But Samartex are moving the ball slowly, but with so much intent. And left on mark, right in the
Nsoatreman. So they're up for a date with a newly promoted side. Expected to be a regional of the season. Afu's delivery. Header goes in, and that's the opening goal. Emmanuel Mama has opened the scoring for Samartex with about 11 minutes to go. It is the lead striker, Emmanuel Mama, with a thumping header. Sabi Akwa unable to have jumped into the lead. In the Timber Giants 1 and Nsoatreman 0 in the Super game.
For losing concentration. That wasn't a dangerous ball, and again right in between two in Nsoatreman. And just look at that lovely ball. Not a dangerous one, but the positioning of Isaka.
Even DU wants some kind of reaction, and here goes DU up against Sewanu. DU. Aka swings in across. Afu nearly putting the ball at the back of his own net. And Nsoatreman, the equalizer. Samartex left off the hook.
That would have been a howler, but Balakaka with that teasing ball inside. And
that's the final whistle. The champion of champions have been decided. The Premier League champions, Samartex, have beaten the FA Cup champions, and Nsoatreman, by a long goal scored by this boy, the number 20, Emmanuel Mama. And Nsoatreman players looking dejected, disappointed, and heartbroken after that Emmanuel Mama goal confirms Samartex as the true champion of champions of Ghana football. They succeed Mediama Sporting Club, who beat Dreams FC to the title of champion of champions last season. So Samartex has some positives working for them. They won the league, won the Century Cup, qualified into the next stage of the African Champions League after the preliminary round, and then they won the champion of champions of Ghana football. What a remarkable performance from the Ghanaian champion, Josiah.
yeah, after just 2 seasons in the top flight, they have their second trophy with them, and I would say it's just a perfect curtain raiser, you know, ushering us into the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League season. But, you know, I believe these two teams showed, you know, what they have. They proved their mettle, but the
football. His president, Richard Duane Century, we're proud of him in Monaco.
of course, he understands.
Stop for Lands and Natural Resources together with the GFA Vice President, Macado, is George Kuduka, and Macado handing the trophy to Ebenezer Akwa. Samartex are champion of champions of Ghana football for 2024. The glittering trophy being presented to the captain of the side, Ebenezer Akwa, the unassuming centre-back who does so great in his duties as a rear guard. Takes the trophy and walks his way to his teammates.
That's just beautiful. When raising 2 trophies in the space of 2-3 months.
Yeah, amazing feat.
Yeah, and that's how you build a winners, or that winning mentality. And You know, this year, one of the things they'll be looking at doing is making Sama Boy a fortress for themselves.
And look at how he's majestically walking with a trophy, taking his time, one step at a time. Ebenezer Aqua, now he steps onto the pitch. He's getting closer to his teammates. The look on his face. Excitement.
The others can't wait though.
The majestic walk from Aqua. How long is it going to take him to get to where his teammates are?
He's not in a hurry at all.
Not in a hurry.
Yeah.
He knows they're eagerly waiting for him, but he's taking all the time in the world. He's teasing them before getting to where they are, Aqua.
And that's, you know, that's Edward telling him to just wait for a while. No, don't go, just wait. But
And the guys can't wait.
they're asking him to come. Just come with a trophy. And
Interesting scenes here under the lights of the TNA in Takwa. And there Aqua tries to tease his teammates as he gradually presents the trophy to all of them to be lifted up. Here they go, and Samartex are champion of champions 2024. The winners of the champion of champions of Ghana football, after beating Nsoatreman by 1-0. And all hail Samartex. Samra boy Samartex